Want to burn fat quickly? Do these workouts daily. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Our first waist exercise is the oblique crunches floor waist. Let's start our core transformation with crunches. Exhale as you lift and squeeze your abs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Next up is the Cobra Pose waist. Keep your legs straight and lower them slowly for maximum tension. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Moving on to our bike. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core the entire time. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. Exercise 4. Now let's do Inchworm Waste. This is great for your obliques and waist definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on each side. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the crab twist toe touch waist. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts.